Hi everyone, let's get started with Math 130 online. So when you open your course, you'll first see that here's the title of the course, and you'll also see that there are news items. So every week there will be some sort of news item just to check in with you to see how things are going. You'll notice that so far I've got a week 4 check-in, and there's also been some more news items previous to that. So this week we had a check-in about how the whole semester's course is now up, the schedule, and also some information about drop-in tutoring. There's some important dates that I'll always try to list each week, right? For instance, Module 1 worksheet, Topic 1, decimal and fractions, due by Monday, January 28th. And you want to get them into my office, so just slide under my office door, B3323. I've also noted the date for the first test. Okay, so there's some previous news items, but we won't look at those now. This is just to help you get started in how the course works. So once again, let's talk about the course schedule. This is a good one-page document that outlines what's due when. So you can use this as a sort of like a snapshot of the whole course. So we're in this week right here. And that was the same worksheet that I was just talking about earlier. So notice that next week, by Monday, February 4th, you'll want to get Module 1 worksheet Topic 2 measurement in. If you're not on campus on Mondays, then make sure to get it in by the Friday before. And then in week 6, there's lots going on. There's another worksheet due on the Monday, the test on the Friday. Okay, so I'm going to go now back to my table of contents. And let's see what happens in Module 1. So in Module 1, you're supposed to go and click on Module 1 Pre-Quiz. Once you do this, once you click on it, it'll say Start Now. You go ahead and start that pre-quiz because you won't be able to see any of these other items until you complete that pre-quiz. That pre-quiz gives you an idea of all the questions that you're going to come across, some of the kinds of questions you'll come across in this module. You'll have another opportunity to do this same D2L quiz once you complete all 3 topics. So when you go in here now, this first video, watch Introduction to Decimals and Fractions. It's just an intro video on what decimals and fractions are all about. This is a to-do list, but really what you're doing is now you're going to start going through these lesson videos. Now, before you had started the course, if you take a look here, there's this one folder called Course Materials. This document is the entire course notes. If you print this out, then you'll be ready to do all the notes for the entire course along with the lesson videos. It's 67 pages. Go ahead and print it double-sided, hole punch it, put it into a binder, and you're ready to go. Okay, so let's go back to Module 1. So I'm going to click on the first lesson video, and you'll notice this video is the same as the first page of your course notes. So there's lots of videos throughout this entire course. Hit play, hit pause, work along, take it at your own pace. Okay, now if I go back to Topic 1, I see that I have all my lesson videos on all the different things that I'm going to be being tested on. There's 9 lesson videos. They're not too long. There's a little activity in here, so you can click on that and try it out. It just kind of helps you to do a quick check to see how you absorbed the information. Then I go back to Topic 1, and I see that at the very end, there's this one document called Print, Complete, and Submit. So you need to print this document, and this is your very first worksheet, Decimal and Fractions worksheet, the one that you are to hand in. And what's going to happen now is that you'll see within Module 1 that you have Topic 1, you'll also have Topic 2 and 3. In Module 2, you'll have Topic 1, 2, and 3, and same with Module 3. So keep track of all your different dates for due dates, work through the course notes and the videos, and hopefully you will be okay for the rest of the semester. And as usual, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to send me an email. We can always talk. And one other thing I'll point out before I leave you is that please remember that you have access to tutoring, right? This is the drop-in schedule at Breeley campus. Drop in anytime. You don't need an appointment. Take your course notes along with you. If you've done the videos and you're still stuck on something, they are more than happy to help. Good luck in Math 130 Online.